人都要去敬拜佢，都要去到跪拜。
What great idea! Okay. When the band plays, all the people must fall down and worship the image of gold. Whoever does not fall down and worship will be thrown into the fire.
Bow down and worship my golden idol. Bow down and worship when you hear the band. I want to know, yes, I want to know. Do you think my golden idol is grand?
Oh King! You said that when the band plays, they must fall down and worship the image. And whoever does not do it will be thrown in the fire. But there are 3 Jews who won't do it. They won't bow down and worship your idols. They don't respect you or your laws.
What? Bring them to me.
Oh, yes, okay. We'll get them.
What is that?
撒多拉、米撒、亞伯尼哥，如果你唔再跪拜嗰個金像嘅話，下一次當呢個音樂再響起，你哋真係唔跪拜嘅話，我就要將你哋掟入火爐裏面，我睇下你哋嘅神會唔會救你哋。
你啊邊個啊？小尼布係咪啊？是但啦嚇！我話俾你聽，我哋啊唔會去跪拜呢個咁嘅嘢啊！就算你掉我哋嘅火海啊，掉我哋火海啊，我哋啊都唔會驚嘅。點解啊？因為有神救我哋，會由你嘅手中救翻我哋出嚟。
我就唔信啦！一嚟俾佢將啲火整到7倍更熱啊！要燒死晒佢哋！
知道。抵死啊你！講嘢啦！
你以為啊？
點解有4個人喺度㗎？有個仲好似神嘅兒子咁嘅樣添喎！撒多拉、米撒、亞伯尼哥，你同我快啲出嚟！讚美佢哋嗰3個人嗰個神啊！佢信佢嘅時候，居然真係有個天使去到救佢哋喎！話佢哋嗰扎人咧，居然唔要佢自己條命啊，都唔去敬拜嗰個金像啊！真係好值得人敬佩。
Want to know, do you think my golden idol is grand?
Your turn.
Huh, 你真係講得好笑，你係邊個啊？利布加埋小利布 ，OK， 我話俾你知，我啊唔會啊，我哋啊
唔要佢哋自己條命啊，都要去。唔得啦，真係